Hey guys, it's me. Guess what we're playing today? We're gonna play some Cat Mario. I took this from PewDiePie's idea. Don't be like, no, you took it from me, guy. I have no idea what this says. Go turn off the sound. Okay, alright. Hello? Holy fuck. You see that? Oh. Yeah, what the fuck? And what's that thing? Oh, what the hell was that? Well, that escalated quickly. Ah, it's cold. That's my question mark. Whoa, holy shit. Wait, okay. Where? Oops. That was bloody retarded. Holy shit, you go to the negative. I'm so bad that I have -3 lives. Fuck you. Ain't gonna get this, man. Yeah. Mushroom! Ah! Whoa, it's an actual mushroom. Ain't that literal? You say. Fuck goes. YOLO! Oh. My piercings do not breathe. Alright, move! Oh. I'm so bad at this. Because I have, like, no patience whatsoever. Gotta get to the end of the day. Motherfucker! I want that mushroom. He wants the M. Where? Ain't getting me. I'm indestructible. Something cat. Mario cat. Right, cat. See how you love it. Fuck. Alright. Yeah. Damn that shit. Go. You ain't kicking it. Turtle. Playdle. Shit. Whoa, checkpoint. Oh, it's a badass stuff. Star, you betrayed me. Give me a Playdle. Playdle. Brick, you betrayed me too. Back you, turtle. Alright. Let's look at the trap here. None? Ah! Suicide's always the best option. Yeah. What the fuck are you? Where are you? What are you? Alright. Turn around. Hey, come back! I want to annoy you some more! Negative 30 fucking six. Yay! Alright. Progress! Fuck you guys! Screw you guys. Go, help me. Hey. Come here, yellow thing. How about? Nope. Yellow things do. Yes, you do. No cloud? No! Look. That's off topic. Sorry. Work! Right. Work! B! They look all happy. Yeah, green, blue. Turtle, where did you come from? Oh yeah, dark. Fuck. Negative 42! Oh my fuck, this is too weird. Over, up, shut. Alright. No ghosties. Super open jump. Go! Ready? Ready? And jump! Ah! Like a box. Whoa, what is this? What the fuck do I do? Hello? Is it in here? Huh? Okay. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna do it. Toidle! Ow! I said we're gonna do it. Not run into turtles. Oh, did you notice his fucking his face is backwards? Okay. Wow! turtle, you little bitch. Whoa. Life saved by a coin, I think. Or something. Right? No. You may not take my soul. No! Alright, alright. No! I'm gonna kill. Shark! Shark! No! Alright, good. And yeah! Yes! Fucking yes! Yeah! Ah! Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this weird fucking episode. And I'll see you next time on Cat Mario Part 2. Bye!